Let's talk to Eddie Tofpik. He's the head of technical analysis and senior markets analyst at ADMISI. Very good morning to you, Eddie.
Good morning.
Right, let's kick off with the Mexican peso. What are your thoughts here?
Well, we had a little chat about NAFTA and we spoke about the Canadian dollar in the previous video we did. On this one, we're looking more at the yen. And in this particular one, I wanted to concentrate on the Mexican peso, which has always been a good indicator of how the US presidency is doing. And this particular point, the presidency was a bit hesitant, not quite sure where it's going with it, but it looks like the dollar is going to go stronger because we have a key reversal up yesterday, yet no follow through, but it's early days. The Mexican market doesn't open until this afternoon. So there's an opportunity for it to try higher up to sort of like the 1960 area where you've got that middle time. It's an indicative of what's going on with NAFTA that we weren't too sure in the last few days, and we're still not too sure. The Canadians seem to be convinced that the US is going to pull out of NAFTA, that Trump is going to pull them out of NAFTA, and this is showing that in the market with a key reversal up. It's whether it follows through. Upside 1950, 1960. If it fails, you've got to break that 1917 area. If they have two closes underneath that, which is a key level, it's a recent 50%, then you're going to be going straight down to 19 and testing that and possibly lower. But we see 19's key support as well.
Understood. Let's move on to Brazil, the real. What's going on here?
We're being supported by a number of moving averages plus this channel line that we've got. It's indecision. We've moved up in December up to 335. And then we had indecision, and then we've come back down, and it's indecision again. We should, with this key reversal down we've seen on the action of yesterday, and it's only just a key reversal, but it is a key reversal, we should see a move down. We should be testing down to about 321.5, something like that. But we're not yet. It's early days. Later on today, the Brazilian market opens. But if we need closes below 321.5. That is absolutely ideal. If that happens, there's an opportunity that a whole action we've seen in the last week or 2 weeks or so is a bear flag. I haven't marked it on the chart because I think it's a little bit optimistic just yet. But if that happens, you've got to be looking some in the order around 312. But it's too early to say. The key level is going to be 321.5, where also you've got the long moving average. And the medium moving averages are not far away at 322 even.
Okay, let's wrap up this segment with the Indian rupee, a weak-looking chart.
Well, yeah, it's the Indian rupee carries on down within this lovely, beautiful Andrews pitchfork that's been drawn from September through to November. It's showing the angle of attack. The middle tine is a good area as an attractor for the market. The action over the last 3 days has been up, yet today it looks as if it's going to weaken. It looks we've got what is there more or less like a gravestone doji, which is an open, huge market move up and then closing roughly where we started. If that's the case, then we're going to be looking down initially to support, which is that 63.58, which is the middle tine that you can see descending there. But then we've got to look then to try and test that July 15 low, the market low, round about, let's say 63.25 area.
Yep.
That's really got to be it.
Eddie, thank you very much.
Thank you.